You will get bit.
What? Don't slap me, really?
Hey, Shonda, say hi.
Come here, give me a kiss.
I ain't taking my eyes off freaking Psycho here. Yeah, I do it too. You're nuts.
Angel. Oh.
Okay, let's not get him crazy.
Angel, kiss, kiss. Shut up, Chico.
You're goofy.
Tell her, say, come here, give me a kiss.
Nice.
You hit him with his tail.
Alright.
He's sitting down lower.
You're still not getting a hold, dummy. He wants to climb up, yeah, I bet you. And eat me.
Angel kiss. Angel kiss.
Oh, Chico.
Do that one. That one's funny as shit. I'm going to say that.
Say hi, Nana.
Look around. Don't move so fast.
Hi.
What are we dancing? Yeah.
I try not to get Mom on camera too much. Oh, I slipped.
You don't know what to make of her.
He knows she's scared though.
What? What?
I slipped. Sorry.
He slipped my eyeball. Tell her, Angel, say, come here, give me a kiss.
Ah, bullshit. Say bullshit, bullshit, bullshit.
I
My
do
name
a
is
lot of
Aldous
cussing in my
Snow.
videos,
Bullshit,
just to let you know.
What the hell is he doing? Empty ice cream time too.
Why just once?
How about just once?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it sharp at you to do it or deep?
No, but it was full.
Yeah. What's up, baby?
Angel, baby. Don't you mom me. Come here, give me a kiss. Up top. No, up.
Shut up, Chico.
Up on the fucking table.
Mom, you're on camera. You know that, right?
Come here.
Oh well. I guess she doesn't care.
Come here. I want that kiss.
My family's weird, but so am I.
Come here.
Dude, I like you. I just don't like your beat. It's confusing.
Come here, give me a kiss.
And then I'll put you some dumplings or something. What?
Come here, give me a kiss.
Go kiss your mama.
Mom, I guess you don't care that you're on camera. I guess that's my time to stop.
Hey.